Hi friends, this is Shandy and you are welcome to Big Basket Lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you how you can perfect the wing of your eyeliner. This is how to do it. Wing liner is something everybody loves and eyeliners have a history of their own. I would suggest that from the loads of options that you get in the market in terms of pen eyeliners or let's say the colored eyeliners or even the pot eyeliners which have the gel base, you should pick up the one that suits your style and personality. And also you should draw the wing according to the shape of the eyes. I'm going to show you how to do it using the pen eyeliner. Using the pot eyeliner, which is the gel liner with a brush like this. Using a colored liner, which has a hint of glitter in it as well. Hope you will try out these different styles of eyeliner and find out which one really suits your eye shape. Also, let me know in the comments below if you got loads of compliments by trying them out. Do share it with your friends and do subscribe to come back for more.